Hello and welcome back. So today we're going through a few more silver-proof coins which I've bought from my good friend King Oreos from Discord, so massive thank you to you. She gave me some really good prices on these, and this is the 2017 set, so I cannot wait to see this one. It's not like we've seen enough of him anyway, but let's get started with Peter Rabbit. There he is. The design that we've seen so many times in 50p coin hunts, but never in that sort of condition and colour. Very cool. It's kind of weird seeing it'll be weird seeing this whole set, to be fair, because we're so used to seeing that design and going, seeing it a million times, chuck it away. But that's pretty cool. We should have the little booklets that he comes with. So there we go. Look at that design. That would have been so much cooler on the 2019 Peter Rabbit rather than the one that we got. But we got number 1801 out of 40,000. Pretty neat. We've got Benjamin Bunny next, so we won't add this one to the counter. Imagine finding one of these though. Holy Toledo. He does look pretty cool though, in colour. What's he holding there? It's like a blanket. Yeah, it looks like a blanket. Very neat. Well, I like that. Then we've got the little booklets for him. That's a cute picture there. Well, that's cool. Then we've got Mr. Jeremy Fisher. He does look cool, doesn't he? His little red jacket. Very neat. Like that. Then again, we've got his little booklet. A frog called Mr. Jeremy Fisher. That's really cool. What number do we get for this one? We got 13,391 out of 40,000. Wowee. And to wrap it all off, my favourite one from the 2017 set, Tom Kitten. I think I like Jeremy Fisher and Silverproof more, but Tom Kitten I think is cool. But look at those crazy eyes. How close can we get before the camera goes berserk? Oh, we're going berserk. Creepy eyes. He looks like he's seen something very disturbing. But I'm a cat person myself, so I like him. I think he's cute. Wow. I'm chuffed with all four of these, to be fair. Very neat. So we've got his little booklet. To be fair, with all the booklets I've been looking through, look at that. How cute is that? they've got these pictures in the booklets that I just think some of them just are so much cuter than the designs we got. Ah, well, I think he's very sweet. I do like Tom Kidson. What number do we get? 17,810 out of 40,000. Really high mintages, aren't they? Wow. But there we go. So they are my latest purchases. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.